Hello everybody, this is Vonna at St. Cloud Knives, and we're here with part 2 of our video reviews today. It's a great rainy day, so I thought I'd just try to sneak a couple in. This is the Zero Tolerance 0609. It is an R.J. Martin design, and for those who may think this looks familiar, there was a larger size years ago that was the 606, and this is the more slimmed down, more compact version. Zero Tolerance is kind of known for building oversized tank-like knives, so they're trying to fit a few in there that are more manageable for every day. And the 450s are a good example of that, and then this one will be another good addition. Not too big, not too small. Let's get right into it. We're looking at a blade that is the CPM 20 CV steel. For those that aren't familiar with that, it's very similar to the Bowler M390. So very tough, very edge retentive. Probably has a Rockwell about 62 to 64, I believe. So anyway, we'll look at the blade, and I don't know if we can catch this. You can kind of see it right now. Satin blade, stone wash, right in there. So you got a little two-tone action going on there. It's a drop point, 3.375 inches long. It's an inch wide, and it's a flat grind. It's also a flipper, KVT bearings, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get to the handle. Bronze titanium. You can catch a few little flashes of different colors in there sometimes. I don't know if our camera will pick it up right now. But I know some of you, I'll go right to this because I know some of you are drawn to it. If you look at the pivot screw here, you can see through it. There we go. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I want to do so? I'm afraid I don't have an answer for that for you. But I can tell you that that pivot screw looks like it's got a lot of weird holes in it, if you see it real closely. There's supposed to be a tool coming out for that at the end of May, which today is the 30th, so I hope it's coming out real soon. So anyway, back to handle. Grooves for the fingers, bronze titanium. Place to change the clip over. Okay, looking at the back side. Your clip is a little smaller than thinner than you might be used to, but let me tell you something. That thing it's down there. It's not coming off. This is your frame lock here. Okay. And we've got a little action right there. And talking about patent and so forth and so on. Okay, and again, this is a flipper. I'm going to show you in just a second. Let me back out just a little bit. Okay, I'm standing about a foot behind this, so it's actually kind of difficult to do. For those that are unfamiliar with a frame lock, let me show you how this works. See this right here? This is part of the frame, and that is how you unlock it. Push it over to the left, and see this right here? The flipper actually stops against your thumb, so you don't have any way to really kill yourself on this while you're trying to close it, unless you're extremely talented. Here's your flipper. Just give it a little wrist, and there you go. These are on KVT bearings. Very easy to open, very smooth. You can do it one-handed like I just did. Very nice. And again, just the right size. I have smaller hands for a woman. Maybe a larger man would find this uncomfortable, but most people so far have been impressed with it and found it to be comfortable, thin, light, good for EDC, and like I said, the blade is pretty awesome. Let's see, what else? I mentioned the changeable clip, I believe you can do from side to side. I mentioned the KVT bearings. I make myself notes here. One thing I didn't show you is the back, specifically. See how you can see through that? This makes this very easy to clean. A lot of times you don't think about stuff like that, and you get the full backs on these, and you go to blow it out, and the stuff has nowhere to go. But this one makes it very simple to clean. I think I've covered everything that there is. If you have any other questions, though, you can always email me at sales@stcloudknives.com, or you can give me a call at 407-892-3343. We're selling this knife for $220. and it's available on our website at www.stcloudknives.com. And I think that will be it for the moment. Thanks. Bye.